This is Glenn Rice with Clearview Sewer Cams. We're located at 2311 Lindale Avenue, Simi Valley, California, 93065. Today is May 30th, 2022. We're performing a video waste and sewer line inspection through a 2-inch vent pipe located on the roof. There was no visible mainline sewer clean out at the front of the house, and we had a small waste line on the left-hand side of the house just outside the kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and run through a roof vent. So we're going to go ahead and drop down, actually show the area. So this is our roof area here. That's our vent. This goes out towards the front of the property. Again, this is our vent pipe. And then we're going to go ahead and it goes out towards the front of our property here. What we're going to do is we're going to zero out at the top of our vent pipe. And we're going to go ahead and drop down and begin our video waste and sewer line inspection. So we're just going to go ahead and drop down, push out slowly. Got some cobwebs. Again, we'll just continue to push out. We're going to make a little bit of a turn. Again, we're just going to continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll pause here for a moment. We're going to run a little bit of water just to help clear our camera lens and possibly just help us push out a little bit. So we're just going to pause here for a moment. Okay, again, we got a little bit of water running, so we're going to go ahead and continue to push out. Go ahead. As we push out, it does appear they're transitioning to what appears to be vitreous clay. What we'll do is we'll just continue to push out, possibly reach our city sewer tie-in, and then when we pull back, we'll locate an area closer to the house. So we're just going to utilize this water and help us push out. So we got a little bit of debris and build up on our camera lens. And again, we'll just continue to push out. And we're just going to utilize this water to help us push all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. Okay, we went ahead and pushed all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. As you can see, we do have some water flowing beneath us. So what we're going to do is we're going to push in, rinse our camera lens off. Okay, we went ahead and rinsed our camera lens off. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut our water down. We'll pause here for a moment, shut the water down, and then we'll pull back and take a good look. So we're going to pause here. Okay, again, we went ahead and pushed all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. So what we're going to do we're going to pull back slowly. We're just going to take a good look. It appears to have some debris and some buildup in that area there, as you can see at the top. So from about the 9 o'clock going all the way around to about the 3 o'clock area. It does possibly appear to be hard water deposit. You can see. So we're just going to continue to pull back. And we'll just continue to pull back. And that joint appeared to be in fair condition. A little bit of buildup, a little bit of debris throughout, a little bit of hard water deposit as you get closer down towards the city sewer tie-in. Again, we're just going to continue to pull back. And as we pushed out, we did see that we did have a root intrusion. So again, we'll pull back and we'll locate that area. So again, we continue to pull back. And that joint appears to be in fair condition. As we pull back, we're going to pull back slowly here. I'm going to take a look at the next joint here just to determine the material. This does appear to be vitreous clay, but it does seem to be long lengths between the joints, so this could possibly be concrete sewer piping. So again, we're at 62.5, so again, we're going to go ahead and continue to pull back. And again, that joint appeared to be fair condition. You can see there at the top, that is our test tee area there. So we're coming back onto the property now. Right around the curb area. Again, we'll continue to pull back. And as we pull back, it does appear that we do have a root intrusion in this area here. So we're going to pause here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is at 5 foot 5 inches deep in the grass, just on the left-hand side of the driveway as you approach the house. And we do have some root intrusion in that joint. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back. So again, you do got some debris, some buildup, and that joint appears to be in fair condition. And as we pull back, again, it does appear to be possibly concrete sewer piping. It does appear to be long lengths in between the joints. So it's a good indication that it is concrete sewer piping. So again, we continue to pull back. And coming up on the next joint there, that joint appeared to be in fair condition. What we're going to do is continue to pull back, and we're going to pull back and get back closer towards the house where we transition from, again, what appears to be concrete sewer piping, and that joint appears to be fair condition. A little bit of neoprene band exposed there at the 12 o'clock area. So again, a little more debris, a little more buildup. So again, we'll just continue to pull back and push in just a little bit. Pull back. Does appear possibly to be a crack in that joint right there, right around the 12 o'clock, going around about 11 o'clock, going around to the 1 o'clock area. It's about approximately at 27 feet 1 inches on the camera monitor. What we'll do is we'll go back to the office. We can blow this up and take a really good look. So again, we're going to continue to pull back. Get a little more root intrusion coming in that joint there. And again, what we'll do is we're going to pull back. And as it pulled back, it does appear that we're transitioning to what appears to be cast iron sewer pipe. So again, we're going to push back out. Morning. Push back out. Push back out, Nathan. And we're just going to mark this transition. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is just to the right of the front door, just underneath the little fountain, and we did mark it with an orange flag at 2 foot 4 inches deep. And that area there would be a good location for a mainline sewer clean out. And as you can see, we tried to transition back into what appears to be cast iron sewer piping. And the cast iron sewer piping does appear to have quite a bit of buildup, a bit of scaling, a little bit of buildup, but again, it is a period of the house. So again, we're going to make a little bit of a turn. And We're going to come back up our vent pipe. That will conclude our video sewer inspection. Sorry, our video waste and sewer line inspection.